Yo, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today got here Zaku 2 from Bandai, which is from the Mobile Suit Gundam and the Mobile Suit of Char Aznable. This is his signature red Zaku, and made him the Red Comet. Okay, so let's check this kit out and let's see what this Char Zaku 2 has to offer us collectors. Found in kits. Box art is really nice, and you can see here that it's from the Bandai Namco Master Grade logo here, and it got a 139 Malaysian ringgit because I bought this one from Malaysia. And this is MS Zaku 2. You can see here in the background there are blasting particles, something like that. On the other side of the box, we can see the poses, which is very nice. This looks very dynamic. There's Zaku here and there, lunging pose or crouching pose, and this is the finished product without the painting, I think. And there we got the guns, the rocket launchers, the bazooka, like that. And the other side of the box, we can see the front view, rear view, and the gimmicks and accessories here, and how to properly install these tube pipes there. Okay. So if we open the box, we can see this instruction manual. Same picture from the box art. There we can see explanations written in Japanese, but I cannot understand that. So we got here the normal Zaku here. I think this is Zaku 1, and there we go, the Zaku 2. And yep, the parts are not that complicated, and it's not that hard to build if I am going to assess the building process. So it's all good. Okay. And this center fold here, you can see some depiction from the anime and the iconic Zaku kick to the RX-78. And there we got the mechanisms for this kit. Yep, very nice. And we got this hands here, articulated hands. Very good, very cool. So we got extra gimmick here with this crane set here. And we go to the packs. We got the first pack here. We got the stickers and the pipes here. Okay. We got the gray parts here for the inner frame, for the guns and bazooka. And we got red parts and pinkish parts here with polycaps. This kind of pinkish color, which is very cool looking. And there we got this final set here. We got some I don't know, these are rubberish plastic, and inner frame parts here. Okay, let's go with the runner review before we build the kit. So we got here gray runners for runner H, and we got runner F here for inner frame parts. We got runner G for this inner frame parts also. We got runner J for the cannons or armaments. We got runner A here for these red armor pieces and black armor parts with clear parts there. We got this pipe parts for this runner K, And we got pinkish parts here for runner D armor pieces. They're gray parts for the inner frame. This is runner I. Then red parts for runner L. Polycaps. Runner E. Another runner here, runner B. And finally we got runner C. Then we got stickers, and this one spring for the tubings, and we'll build the kit. And welcome back to the final assemble of this Zaku 2 from Bandai. And yep, I really appreciate the design of this kit. This very simple build, and the articulation and the assembling process of this kit is not that difficult. So this is very easy to build, and I enjoyed all the details of this kit. And let's check with the articulation of this kit. I really like the head here. The head, when you turn it to the other side, the eyes, as you can notice, the eyes will also move because of the gear mechanism inside of the head. Yep, you can see the eyes also move side to side like that. Very nice. I really like the feature of that. And let's remove first these weapons here, so we can focus on the articulation. So remove the bazooka, and there we go. So the arms has the asymmetrical design. So we got here the shield on the right arm, and this spiky shoulder armor on the left arm, and they have those articulation in it. But the feature, the shoulder has the same square basic armor, and these two are just the attachments. So we got the shield and the spike shoulder armor. So Zaku reminds me of orc from Warcraft. So they look like a mono-eyed orc like that. So there the arms here can rotate 360 degrees like that, and the hands or the elbow can bend a decent bend like this. Yep. Very nice bend. It's like a 180 degree. And the hands are my favorite articulated hand, the old school. No, this is not the old school. This is the version before the gorilla hand. So this is very nice hands here, the 2.0 hands. And yep, they are the three finger connected, and the other one, the trigger finger, is separated, and the thumb is not what do you call this, it's not segmented, it's a whole thumb on a ball joint like that. So like this. And the other hand here holds the rifle. The rifle, by the way, or the machine gun, is a basic gun here. It's just the plastic clumped together and applied here, this handle attached here. And we got this magazine here, the plate magazine, which is very nice. And there we go, we got the extra handles there. Okay, so I will not do the cockpit opening hatch because it's a bit hard to utilize. By the way, there we can open that, and we can see Char there inside. And by the way, the cockpit also transfer from this side to this side by utilizing this peg here. But yeah, if we open this one, we can what's that? Okay, you can see the tab there. So if I move this tab, the cockpit inside will move to the other side, the left side, but it's a bit tight. I don't know if I did some mistake on applying that, but it's very tight actually. I cannot yep, I'm afraid to break it, so I will not do that. Anyway, that's the mechanism for that. If you want to put the other cockpit in the other side, just switch this lever here. So it has a mechanism where the pilot figure, Char figure, will transfer to the other side. So actually, it's odd because you can always, or you can open on the right side. Why open here also in the left side? So what's the purpose? But I think in the anime, the right side hatch here can open only on the left side, if I'm not mistaken. So the torso has this wirings here. These are plastic tube with this segmented pink pieces that you will queue on these plastic tube. So it has some minimal articulation on the waist. It can rotate on this manner. And on the side skirt can move here. The front skirts also move independently like that. And just be careful with that. It's a bit tight. Yep. Anyway, the legs can kick up to this far. It has a decent kick like that. And it can kick backward up to that far thanks to the butt skirt that can move on this manner, and the knees can bend up to this far. Yep, thanks to the wire here. Actually, the wire here is a spring. It's a metal spring, and then you will cue it with the pink pieces here, small pieces. So the wire doesn't fight with the movement of the knees like that. And can split. Actually, it can split up to this far, but this side skirt hinders the movement. Okay. And the legs, or the foot rather, can move side to side. Okay, can do plantar extend and a bit plantar flex like that, and the toes can bend upward like that. Okay, very nice, very dynamic. Okay. And for the weapons, we got a decent amount of weapons. So we got the gun. I already talked about this a while ago. And we got this rocket launcher, the bazooka. So the bazooka has this very nice mechanism here. It can open, I think. This tab here can open here. Yep, there, which we can expose this lens here. It's very nice. And there we got two handles here for the left hand and this one for the right hand. Okay, and we got the axe, the heat axe here. I am just I just wonder why Bandai didn't put any stickers or separate plastic piece here, like the yellow plastic, or like it's like a beam to make it like the heat effect like that. So Bandai didn't do that. but they just did this kind of thing. It's a one-piece axe here. Okay. Let's go with the booster, by the way. I forgot that almost. So the booster can move up and down like that, which is very nice. And so I did the bazooka pose, which is very nice. I really like the Zaku wielding bazooka compared with this rifle. So this rifle is, or this machine gun, is a common for me. So I much like the Zaku wielding the machine, or the bazooka rather. It's very nice, and let's shoot the Gundam on the face. Bam! Like that. Okay, let's act like he's shooting the Gundam on the face. Just like that. Pew! So let's compare it with the Gundam. So the size of the Zaku, yes, they're almost the same height. The Zaku and the Gundam. So the rivalry here. The rivalry here shows. And we got here the Tolgis, one of my favorite antagonist in the Gundam Wing. So Tolgis is a bit shorter than the Zaku. And let's compare it with my other favorite antagonist in the Unicorn series, the Sinanju. So Sinanju towers them all. So of course Unicorn Gundams are bigger kits. Okay, so they are the baddest. So this Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying God bless, take care, and thank you for watching this short review of the Zaku 2 from Bandai. Again, thank you for subscribing and liking and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye, God bless.